everyone, this is Kim. Thank you for stopping to watch my video. This video will just be centered on Tomorrowland in Disney World. I'm splitting up the videos because I will never be able to edit all of this down to 10 or 15 minutes. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, check for my other videos in Disney World. They're not professional, but I have a good time when I'm here, and I hope you do too. The paint on those rocks have been touched up. They really look nice. Over there too. There's the People Mover. I can't wait to get on that. This looks like a paid tour group. But the ones in the front look like new hires over there too. Interesting, I've never seen that. Here's some more employees. Monsters Laugh Floor is 20 minutes, which means you'll get into the next show. It's worth seeing at least once. It's silly and fun. We got into the previews before it opened. My son always remembers that. The lunching pad. You know, I've never eaten from there in all the years I've been here. Let's see what Buzz Lightyear is like. I see 40-something minutes. So yeah, 40 minutes, and it goes pretty fast. But I'm not getting on that today. I'd like to get on it with someone else. So I'm headed to the People Mover. We are on the People Mover. It was stopped for about 5 minutes, maybe less. Probably getting a wheelchair off or something. I'm not going to film the whole thing. I have an old video from 2018 or 2019 of the POV.
Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
Keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you.
This is the one I want. And I also want Donald. Donald's been out a while. I can probably find him somewhere else easily. Look at these outfits. They're so darn cute. I know, I'm too old for this.
These are doll dresses. Why don't we get you something at Toy Store? Yeah, I finally found
These are cute. But if my phone doesn't fit in it, then it's just not worth it. But they're really cute. That's the extent of the new stuff in Star Traders today. We have a 45-minute standby for the Tomorrowland Speedway. And most of it's under cover. And there are some fans there. It doesn't stink like it always used to. That's a good thing.
After Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car.
get misted over here. Ooh, that was nice. I just don't want to mess up my camera. The wind is blowing it around. You have to follow it. That was nice. I'm gonna walk over to Space Mountain, see what's going on with the gift shop. I always like this gift shop. It does still feel really strange coming in here and all of these gift shops being so empty compared to pre-closing of the parks. I understand why they do it, but it's just weird. This is really cute. My camera would fit in the brown one, but my phone wouldn't fit all the way with the zipper. But I really like this with the wristlet strap. Wow, I really like that. So this is a Space Mountain gift shop, and they do have those charging stations, which I remember for a long time. Hey, oh, these are ones you take home. Hey, that's my birthday. That's funny. These are similar to the ones that they used to have outside. They've been dug up all over Disney World. I didn't know they did those. They really make a lot of nice stuff here. A lot of nice things. It's cool in here, and there's shade. Obviously, you're indoors. If you're ever looking for pinbacks, those can be hard to find. But the charging station is awesome, because I bring extra batteries for this camera, but my phone doesn't have a battery that can be removed. So I bring my charger just in case. I haven't needed it yet though. Hi. I would like the orange bird cup.
Okay, you were gonna ask.
Over here. Thanks. Oh my goodness. So I'm at Big Top Souvenirs, and they do have the orange bird cup. She's not allowed to sell it to me right now because they are glacier. That's the name of the drink, the slushy that they serve. Their glacier machines are down and they can't sell the cup without the drink inside. So she asked me to come back in an hour, but I don't care. It's worth the wait. Do the same. I got my cup. I'm so happy.
I do love that.
Me too.
I understand
Look at the images, how cute. I got the Powerade because they didn't have anything sugar-free. So I figured I'd at least do that. Get some electrolytes in me. This is the end of my Tomorrowland video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested, there are more Walt Disney videos on my playlist. Take care of yourselves.